Hello everyone, my name is Khumalimo and welcome to our HR class. We're going to have a quick but important session on collective bargaining. In just a few minutes, we'll cover its definition, its objectives, types, and key consideration for employers. So let's get started. What is collective bargaining? It is the negotiation process between employers and employees who are usually represented by a trade union. So think of it as a structured dialogue where both parties aim to reach a mutual agreement. So next up, we will determine the objectives of collective bargaining. Why does collective bargaining matter? It establishes the rules of the workplace. It ensures that workers are compensated fairly. It encourages employer and employee cooperation in the workplace, determines the priorities that need attention, and establishes an ongoing reconsideration of bargaining agreements. Now we move on to types of bargaining. We have distributive bargaining, where one party wins and the other party loses in the negotiation process. Then we have integrative bargaining, where both parties find a solution that benefits all of them. Thirdly, we have productivity bargaining, where employers offer employees incentives that will improve their productivity as well as the effectiveness of the organization. Fourthly, we have concession bargaining. It takes place during a company's financial crisis, and parties discuss possible outcomes such as reduced wages to ensure that the company will survive. Next, we determine the process of collective bargaining. How do we approach it? We have centralized bargaining, which involves multiple employers in an industry who collaborate and bargain with employees' unions from that particular industry. Another process is called decentralized bargaining. This is whereby a union gathers a recognition in a certain industry and then bargains on behalf of all employees in that industry. So how does a trade union get recognition? You may ask yourself. It depends on the membership numbers of that union. If the union is legally registered, the bargaining power of the union, can it negotiate effectively or not? And lastly, the union's impact on the workplace relations, its ability to improve communication as well as productivity. A result of a collective bargaining, we can say that a successful bargaining will result in substantive agreement which covers new proposed wages and a new set of working rules with both management and labor are bound to abide by. And that is a wrap on collective bargaining. I hope this gave you a clear and concise overview. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section, or you can refer to the Human Resources Management in South Africa, written by Albert Hartfield and other authors as well. Thank you for watching.